Assalamu alaikum everyone, and it's been 9 months, and after 9 months I'm finally making another update on SOP. And the thing is that we have an amazing movement of SOP. We're going from good, we're going to great, and can it be excellent? Now we have waited for a long time, and the last time that I made a video 9 months ago was on the following regarding SOP. So I want to go back into YouTube channel here, and I want to show you this.
A little. I just bought a little bit. I'm not like a very big fan of SOP, but I just bought a little bit here. So very small portion. Like I don't even mind losing that. So
right. So this video, when I was talking about that, I bought about it. It was 9 months ago, and this was a time when, if I do maybe go into the Discord channel here on the announcement, this was 9 months ago, and we bought SOP at 0.0025. okay, that was for a long term. So long term, of course, it's meant to be long term, and now we're sitting at 0.02619, pretty much at the very same place that we bought. And that was back here, probably in was it in what do you call this, in January, somewhere here down there. Now here's the thing. If you look at this SOP chart pattern on the daily time frame, you have been making this channel that you have broken above, and we could be looking at a retest and come down for the retest one more time, bounce off the retest, and finally push to this technical target. So we're talking about a move up to 0.05690. Now, can you retest, or are you just going to push to the moon all of a sudden? I cannot tell you, but I want to see how the volume looks like. And you can already see that the volume, when you look down at the volume here, the volume is broken, the pattern is broken. I do believe whether you retest or whether you shoot to the moon, this is your next technical target up to 0.056, and that's going to be almost like a 2x from the time that I'm recording the video. And it's pretty crazy. There's a lot of money going on right now, probably even on the Binance pattern here. Now let's zoom in there, and you can already see that yes, the break has happened. So on the 4-hour time frame, of course, you can see the RSI is pretty much up here, and you've actually broken above. So can we see a move to the downside? Now the last time you were pumping for SOP, you went up to that resistance, and this was pretty good, but now you have already broken above the resistance, which is another amazing thing. Let's see if you're making any continuation pattern. Now here's the thing. If you see SOP do something like this, right, and make this pattern break above the pennant, then you are looking for another technical target for SOP, which goes from there to there, and we may push to the upside, and that's going to be up to this technical target of 0.03592. And this is going to be almost a price appreciation of a 36% move to the upside. Now, if you have missed Chainlink, if you missed SOP, there are 2 more days for me to close my private. So in the private, basically, I have a private video talking about 3 coins that has not pumped just yet, which may pump, and in the next 6 months, within 6 months, can actually give you a 2x return. So basically, you're buying with $100. You're getting $200 back, and it's only $10 for you to join. So if you're interested, do message me on Twitter. Link is in the description, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.